So here we have an ALM QC environment. In this environment, I created a demo project, and what we will do is that we will migrate all of the data from this project, this demo project, inside ALM Octane. Now, what you need to know about ALM QC is that you need a user with admin access and admin permissions in order to connect to this project and also to migrate the data. We will talk about this later, but this admin user will be provided in the configuration file of the migration tool. So for now, let's just go ahead and log in inside the demo project. Okay, so we're inside the project. Now the data that is in the scope of the migration and what data exactly gets migrated from QC to Octane will be the customization part of the ALM QC project. And this includes, of course, the releases, which we can find them here. And along the releases, we also have the customization, which will be migrated. And if we go to the customization part of the ALM QC project, we will be able to see that all of the lists from here will be migrated inside the Octane project. And also if you go to project entities, we also have the fields for defects, for tests, for runs, for test sets, and for requirements. Now the actual data that it's included, is the list. As I said, the list will be migrated, and also all of the fields. This includes the system fields and also the UDF fields created inside the QC project. So all of these will be migrated. Of course, there are two PDF files with documentation. One is the user guide, which I strongly recommend also to take a look inside that guide. And also we have the functional scope documents, in which we can find all of the system fields from QC and their exact equivalent when it's been migrated inside Octane. So this is only for the system fields of the entities, and also the UDF, the custom fields, will automatically be migrated inside the ALM Octane workspace. Now, as I said, the customization part of the project will be migrated, and this includes the releases, the fields, system, and custom fields from QC, and also all of the lists inside the QC project. So those are part of the customization. And now for the entity part, the migration tool will migrate the requirements of the QC project, the requirement folder and requirement documents. The only difference here being that inside Octane, there is only one type of requirement document, whereas in QC we have multiple types of them, but we will talk about this also later and show exactly how it's been migrated. Okay, and besides the requirements, we also migrate the manual tests, and only the manual tests inside the project, the QC project. So this excludes the automation types of tests and other types. Okay, and also we support the migration of the test sets, which we can find in the test lab. Okay, the test sets, which includes the manual tests from the QC project. So you can see if we expand here, we have some test sets. Okay, and also the manual runs that are of the manual tests. If we remove this filter, you can see here that we have multiple manual runs inside this project. And of course, we support the migration of defects. So all of the defects from QC will also be moved to ALM Octane.